guys, so I got the parchment paper ready. Okay, so here we go. Let's get this chicken open. There we go. Okay, so first cam here. Chicken. Can't believe I'm short on sauce now because of that. Failed. There's a lot of frozenness on there too. Sorry, that's a loud bang. Anyway, this is dirt back here, really. Okay, so how I do it, and nobody better judge me, because I swear to God, if I keep getting judged on everything because of oil, I swear. Anyway, you open your oil, you put a little bit on there, you massage your chicken, you give them a nice little massage. And say, how you doing there, chicken? Sorry, you're dead. Karen's gonna hate me with that one. So yeah, you massage that dang chicken. Wow, because I used so much olive oil. Just like last time, which I didn't even use that much. Guys, if I had used a lot of olive oil, do you think I'd still be up to this high? Like, seriously? I didn't use much. I didn't use much in that macaroni video. So, yeah. You want to salt them up? Missed his legs. And there might be a funny comment saying, oh, a whole chicken had to die for this video. Please don't eat the whole chicken because you want to be concerned about your health. I get that, it's funny, but this isn't actually just for me. Like, this is for my roommate who was also in that last clip where we were cleaning up the sauce. So yeah. And even if I was the only one eating this, I wouldn't be eating this all in one day. What do you guys think I am, fat? Oh wait, I am, but I don't eat all of them, everything in one day. Okay, so we used onion powder, onion powder, chopped onions, basil leaves, basil, oregano, pepper, salt, and we're going to put some paprika on this. It's going to be a little spicy. Every time I use this paprika, it's actually never spicy. Parsley flakes to finish, to top it off. If that's the yummiest, if that's like the last freaking spice I have in the Italian book. I'm missing one, Italiano, but I don't have it right now. So there's none for that tonight. And yeah. So yeah, I can cook. I'm gonna put it at 180 to 350 Fahrenheit. Only 180. Doesn't actually mean it's going to be on 350 Fahrenheit. That's just how the stove works for some reason. Anyway, we're gonna put this guy in his. We're gonna put this guy in. What would be a funny joke that is not a racist joke towards Jews? Why did I even say that on camera? Anyway, that's getting cutted out.